Hi, I'm Walter from Alesis, and I'm here today to give you an overview of the Recital digital piano. Let's get started. The Alesis Recital is a digital piano with 88 premium full-size keys, and it's perfect for students who are just getting started out, as well as professionals who need a great sounding digital piano for practicing, teaching, or gigging. There's 5 incredible built-in voices on the Recital, including piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass. And our advanced sound engine makes the Alesis Recital the most realistic and best sounding digital piano in its class. Let's take a listen to the sounds of the Recital. To select a sound, press one of the 5 voice select buttons. So for example, if I want to select organ, I press the organ button, and the organ's selected. Now a really cool thing you can do is you can layer 2 sounds together at the same time. To do this, press 2 of the voice select buttons at the same time, for example, piano and organ, and now you have a nice full and rich sound. The Alesis Recital has 20-watt speakers, so it can get nice and loud, but if you want more volume, you can connect it to an amplifier, a PA speaker, or a home stereo system by using the RCA aux outputs on the rear panel. You'll also find an input for connecting the sustain pedal, a USB connection so that you can use the Recital with educational or recording software, and a power connector for connecting the included power adapter. You can also connect your headphones to the Recital's headphone output. One other really cool thing you can do to take things to the next level is you can split voices across the keyboard. To do this, press and hold the split button along with the voice that you want to be in the lower side of the piano. For example, if I want to select bass, I hold split, press the bass button, and now I have a full ensemble sound. One other great feature of the Alesis Recital is the lesson mode. If you press the lesson button on the front panel, this will divide the keyboard into 2 equal areas with the same pitch and same voice. Now this is a great feature for students and teachers because you can sit side by side at a piano and really watch and study each other. Once again, I'm Walter from Alesis. Thanks for taking the time to check out this overview video on the Recital digital piano. We'll catch you again next time.
With the 76-key Yamaha YPG-235 keyboard, power supply, Samson HP30 headphones, and an X-Brace keyboard stand where the YPG-235 sits on top, this package comes with everything you need to start making music right away. The YPG-235 is part of Yamaha's portable Grand Series and has 76 soft touch keys that feature progressive key weighting, providing a lighter touch in the upper notes and a heavier touch in the lower ranges, just like an acoustic piano. For added realism, the YPG-235 features an accurate grand piano sound that has been created using the latest digital sampling technology, along with 115 additional instrument sounds, 12 drum and sound effect kits, plus 361 general MIDI compatible sounds that provide ample voices for exploring a variety of musical styles. Split and layer modes and onboard effects such as reverb and chorus give even more depth and sound fantastic through the built-in stereo speakers. The Arranger accompaniment engine includes 160 musical styles which can be supplemented or expanded upon with files from Yamaha MusicSoft and works in conjunction with the built-in song recorder sequencer to create custom compositions or backing tracks. The onboard Yamaha Education Suite makes the YPG-235 an equally good choice for beginners. This innovative feature teaches you to play by breaking down songs into individual components like rhythm and pitch and reconstructing them once mastered, all while allowing you to work through the lessons at your own pace. Even though the YPG-235 can run on 6 D-sized batteries for portability, the inclusion of a Yamaha power supply in this pack is a handy bonus, along with the pair of Samson HP30 headphones, which are great for private practice sessions. These lightweight closed-back headphones provide crystal clear sound and have an adjustable headband for added comfort. The included X-Brace keyboard stand can be set at your choice of 5 different heights and features a spring-loaded knob for easy adjustment. Perfect for beginners and experienced musicians alike, the Yamaha YPG-235 makes learning the keyboard fun, and with the addition of the headphones, stand, and Yamaha power supply in this pack, you get everything you need to make music right away, all at an exceptional value.